Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on Power BI. In our previous videos, we have seen stacked column chart and we have seen some of the other features in Power BI like how to install the Power BI and how to load the data set in Power BI. And we have also seen some of the features related to graphs like how to increase the font size, how to increase the color and all. Okay, so today in this particular video we are going to continue with the Power BI, and today we'll see like what exactly the pie chart is and how exactly it looks. Okay, and we'll try to explore the options related to the pie chart. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's open the application Power BI. Okay, we have opened the application Power BI. Okay, so now what we'll do is like first we'll try to get the data. Um, I have already downloaded the sales data set, which you can edit from the online. If you want, I can just show you once again. You can just get it by sales data set, not sales prediction. Sales data set. You can just click on this. You can get it from there. Okay. So the same data set I will be using now. So I have already tried to upload it. We'll try to load the data set with Power BI. Okay, so the data set is already been loaded. Okay, so here you can see the various visualizations. In the previous video we have seen the stacked column chart, and we have also seen the stacked bar chart. Okay, and today in this particular video we'll see the pie chart. So this is actually the pie chart. So I will just try to click on this. So once you click on this, here you will get a pie chart, which is exactly looks like a circle. So if you want, we can just increase the size, or you can increase the width, or you can increase the height, overall size of the pie chart. So here you can see the various attributes or the various parameters in the data set. So here what I will do is like here in the legend, what I will try to do is like I will try to add city, and in the values I will try to add rating. So here you can see the pie chart sum of rating by city. So what I will do is like instead of city I will try to take branch, so that it will be easy for us to understand. So here you can see branch A, branch C, branch B. We'll try to expand this pie chart. Okay, so now if you want, same way, if you want the branch A, you can just click on this. So here it will show the distribution of branch A, and it will also show the percentage. You click on B, and similarly if you click on C. Okay, and now suppose we'll just double click on that. So here you can see the label contents. So here you can see data, value, percentage of total. And suppose if I click on all detail labels, so here you can see A 2.39K, which is 34.27 percentage, and here if you see B, and here you can also see. So in the same way, if you want to increase change the font style, or if you want to increase the font style, you can also do it. And if you want to change it here, let's see like how we can do. If you want, you can increase the size. So here I have increased to 12, before it was 9. If you want, you can change the font style. I will change it to Times New Roman. So just change to Times New Roman. So this is how the pie chart visualization done in Power BI. So I have just tried to explore some of the basic concepts, like how to use the pie chart. The way similarly I have shown stacked column chart and stacked bar chart. Okay, so in the same way here also you can change the color and all. So here you can change the background color if you want, you can make it black, or if you want default white, you can change it to white. Okay, so here there are so many other options. If you want to include the shadow, you can also include the shadow color. You can change. So here you can see the shadow color. Here you can see the shadow color. If I change it to black, it will be black. And if I don't want, I can make it to white, so that it will be a default color. Okay, so this is all about the pie chart in Power BI. So in the coming videos, we'll try to explore some of the other visualizations in Power BI. So there are so many visualizations. So we have just explored the basic 3 visualizations, that is the stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, and a pie chart. Okay, so here you can see so many other visualizations, donut, tree map, maps, gauge, card, KPI, and so many other. So we'll try to explore in the coming videos. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.